the very first function we are going to have a look into the filter functions is the calculate function. Calculate function is used to evaluate an expression but in a modified filter context. That means it is used to modify the context in which the calculation occurs. That means inside calculate function we used to pass an expression, and after that expression we used to pass a uh, we can pass the filters as many as we have to, and that particular expression will be evaluated based on these filters applied, right? And these are dynamic filters basically, which works as per the calculation of works. So the parameters here are, there are two parameters, expression and the filters. So filters, we can apply as many as filters are there, and these filters are optional, right? If we do not apply pass filters into the calculate function, then uh, the calculate function will modify the filter context only and evaluates the expression without applying any filter, and expression is the one which is to be evaluated. Then filters can be of different categories. It could be boolean, it could be table filter expression, it could be filter modification functions, and it returns the value that is a result of the expression after the filter is applied. Now let me go to my Power BI desktop. Here I have created one category inside my DAX specific table for filter functions. If you also want to create a DAX specific table and then categorize the measures, then I have pasted the links of my YouTube videos, right? You can just navigate to those and have a look how we can do it. Now I'll create one measure here for calculate function, right? Here let me give calculate function. Right now I'm pressing shift plus enter to go to second line. Here I will give calculate. Now it will show me the definition and the syntax of calculate function. Now again shift plus enter for coming to the new line. Now I have to pass expression here. Let's say I have to calculate the sales, or the sum of sales amount, right? But the sales amount should be on region is equals to, let's say, central, and bracket close. Now what this function will do is, this calculate function will calculate the sum of sales amount, but it will apply the filter on the sales amount to central region. Where the central region is there, it will calculate all those sales amount. So let me put it on one card and have the calculate function here, right? So this is my result. Now let me to verify the result, what I can do is, I will put one card here, right? And I'll just put some of sales on it. Correct. So this sales and this sales is different as of now because we haven't applied any filter on it, but here we have already applied the filter inside a text function. Now to apply filter on it, I'll just pick up region and apply the filter on this visual and put it central, right? So if the values are same, that means my calculation is giving me the correct result for central region. Now I can also apply more filters on it. Let me go to my table, orders table. Here let me check segment. We have different segments, right? We have different product ID category. Let me put it to segment as corporate, right? I'll just go here and put it here as segment is equals to corporate and press enter. Now it has been changed, right? Now again to verify the results, what I can do is, Again, on this visual, I'll go to my segment and apply one filter here, right, and apply it. So these are again same. Now I can also do some kind of or operation and operation here. So let me apply filter as or, right, and keep the orders region is equals to, let's say, south. Correct. So it will check whether the region should be central or south. Any of the two we have, it will give the result. But if I apply and here, so there will be no logic of doing and, because at one place there could not be two regions. At one place there will be only one region, right? So that's why I am applying or here to check whether the region is central or south. Now, onto this card, I'll apply south here, and again the results are same. So this is how we can apply. Uh, we can use calculate function to apply filters on my logic, right? And here I can do as many as calculations as I want, right? To apply and condition here, you can do more things like and uh, category. Let me check the categories first what we have, right? uh, we have categories as office supplies, furniture, technology. Okay, let me give, I love technology a lot, so let me give category as technology. So it will check corporate should also be there and technology should also be there. It will give and condition there, right? So that's why it is just giving us this output. So this is how you can apply filters. You can do and or operation onto these filters. Also you can use this without these filters also, like if I just control remove it and do simple calculation here without filters, it will give us a result for that too. But now if I just re apply filters, then also it will work. So this is how we use calculate function, and there are many filter functions that are used inside the calculate function, and they cannot be used without calculate or without any calculation specific function, right? So they are designed to be used inside any filter function like calculate, right? So this is how we can use calculate.